Lloyds Bank Large Purchase Credit Card Honest App. The pros, the cons. Managing a Lloyds Bank Large Purchase Credit Card just got easier, or at least that's the promise of their mobile app. But is it worth using? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming credit card apps are limited to balances. This app lets you view your available credit, track purchases, and make payments directly from your phone. Real-time notifications alert you to transactions and potential fraud, giving peace of mind when making large purchases. The app also simplifies budgeting. You can see spending by category, track promotional financing deals, and set up payment reminders to avoid late fees. Biometric login ensures secure access, while quick links to statements and offers help you make informed financial decisions. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional slow updates, especially with large transactions. Detailed reporting or exporting statements still requires the desktop version. Navigation can also feel overwhelming for first-time users due to multiple menus and options. In conclusion, the Lloyds Bank Large Purchase Credit Card app is perfect for cardholders who want a mobile-friendly way to monitor spending, manage payments, and stay secure. The surprising truth is that while it handles everyday features efficiently, advanced account management is still easier on a desktop. For anyone looking to streamline large purchase tracking and payment management, this app delivers a solid, secure, and practical mobile experience.